friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making baked sockeye salmon. Before making this recipe, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For this very easy recipe, we use sockeye salmon, and you can have fillets or a big piece of salmon. It works the same way. I'm also going to use lemon, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and olive oil. Here I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. And first I'm going to season the salmon. So what I'm going to do is I'll cut off the ends of the lemon. And I'm going to squeeze them over the salmon. And the rest of the lemon, I'll cut it into slices and I'll be putting it on top once I'm done seasoning the salmon. If there's any seeds in the lemon, just take them out. And next, I'm going to drizzle the salmon with some olive oil. So if you like to measure, you'd use approximately 1 tablespoon of oil for 1 pound of salmon, and then sprinkle it with seasonings. So here's salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. So now I'm going to coat it evenly with seasonings. So just rub the oil and seasonings in the salmon, and also flip and so here's skin. You don't really need to season it, but if you can, if you want to, you can. You can sprinkle it again with the seasonings if you'd like. Now, I don't really remove the skin. I feel like if you eat it, it's easy to leave the skin out, but if you do remove the skin, you do need to season it on both sides, and with the skin, the second side is optional. So now the salmon is evenly seasoned, and let's put it on a baking sheet. And now I will top it with lemon slices. Perfect. So now the sockeye salmon is ready to be baked, and let's put it in the oven that I preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's bake. So now the salmon has been baking for 13 minutes and it's ready. Let's take a look. Perfect. Let me take this out of the oven. Looks so good. So salmon is totally cooked when internal temperature is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So let me measure it, and I measured it before I checked. Yep, it's over 145. Now if you like your salmon more rare, then you can cook it less. So that was 13 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfectly done salmon. And now let me remove this and put it on a plate. perfect. Looks amazing. Look at this salmon. I'm so excited about trying it. I love sockeye salmon. So let me just cut it so you can see it flakes perfectly with a fork. So easy. It's perfectly cooked fish. Now let's try it. Delicious. It tastes so good when it's marinated with lemon juice and perfectly seasoned. And it's baked just right. It's not dry, it's not overcooked, and also olive oil keeps it moist. And it's perfect. It just melts in your mouth. And it's so easy to make, and it's so healthy. You will love this recipe for sockeye salmon. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!